Shit, that was deep. Well, here's the highest point in Missouri. I don't think they can technically call it handicap accessible because there's a gravel parking lot, but there is a paved path with no stairs on it right up here from the parking lot. So very easy gravel road. I don't think I was walking for a full 5 minutes to get from the parking lot to here.